This quick tutorial will teach you how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows. We are making this guide on Windows 11. This guide can also be followed on Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. LibreOffice requires about 1 GB of free disk space in Drive C, or the partition where you have installed your copy of Windows. Go to the official website to download LibreOffice offline installer. You can find the link in the description. Click on the Download Now button to go to the download page. Make sure you know your device's system type before downloading the installer, otherwise, you might end up downloading an incompatible installer that will not work on your device. To know the system type, go to the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel from the search results. Here you need to find and open the system utility. As you can see, the system type of this device is 64-bit, and we need to download the 64-bit installer. Choose Windows 32-bit from the drop-down menu if the system type is 32-bit in your copy of Windows. After the system type selection, click on Download to begin downloading the LibreOffice installer. The download is complete. You can now install LibreOffice. Double-click on the LibreOffice installer. Click Next. Here you have to choose between typical and custom installation options. In addition to other technical things, the custom option lets you change the interface language to use LibreOffice in your favorite language. We suggest choosing the typical option. Click Next. Make sure the second option is unchecked. It will cause slow boot times. Click Install to begin LibreOffice installation. It may take 2 to 5 minutes. The installation is complete. Click Finish. You can access any of LibreOffice utilities from the Start menu or its shortcut on your desktop. As you can see, all LibreOffice utilities are listed here. We hope today's tutorial on how to download and install LibreOffice on Windows 11 was helpful to Windows 11 and other users. Please let TeamSoft Suggester know if you encounter any problems during the download or installation. The comment section can be used for questions, suggestions, and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.